When the Israelites in the wilderness were crying, were tired of the food that God gave them to eat, Moses went to the Lord and asked what to do. The Lord told him that he would give them what they asked for. They rose all the day and all the night, gathering the quills, and all the next day the Lord smote the people with a very great plague, and he called that place Kibrothhattavah. The Lord smote the people with a very great plague, and he called that place Kibrothhattavah. But they lusted for the food of their whole life in Egypt. They let their perverted appetites become their master now. God gave them what they craved, but it brought them to their graves. For those who choose their own way will lose the Lord's best way. They rose all the day and all the night, gathering the quills, and all the next day the Lord smote the people with a very great plague, and he called that place Kibrothhattavah. The Lord smote the people with a very great plague, and he called that place Kibrothhattavah. They rose all the day and all the night, gathering the quails, and all the next day. While the flesh was yet chewed, God's wrath was kindled. The Lord smote the people to teach a lesson.